before Safe Food Pro was that ominous 138-page folder up on the shelf that I never wanted to deal with. Tons of paper, tons of toner cartridges, and just the confusion over which form to use. Am I filling it out properly? And then when the inspector comes around, there's been an update from MPI, it's actually the incorrect one now, and you need to do it again. Being marked down because of things like that is infuriating, because your kitchen's clean, your staff are all trained, and everything's running as it should, and you're not endangering anyone, but that little folder on the wall is really holding you back. Safe Food Pro has changed with the way we deal with food safety a lot. Now we find that when we need a form, it's on the app. When we want to take a temperature, we just press the buttons. I'm not being asked by the staff to show them how to fill these forms out anymore, because Safe Food Pro seems to have simplified it so much for them that I'm showing them once, they understand and they do it. That's the beauty of it. When we first started with Safe Food Pro, everyone in the kitchen was actually quite excited about it, because it was going to tidy up a whole lot of messy bits of paper and simplify their lives. Initially, people were a little bit slow to use some of the functions, but I would say that was only 2 or 3 days of getting used to it. Once again, initially there was like, oh, that's going to take more of my time, but it's actually saved us time. Once people have gotten used to it, they know what button is going to click through to the next page. It's done, simple as, and it's really helped. Also, when I'm not on site, I can receive in real time any forms that are filled out or any bit of information that's being added into Safe Food Pro, and that the business is actually still being managed and kept compliant when I'm not there. I can also see where the problems are, and I know who to ask about fixing those problems because of Safe Food Pro. Starting with Safe Food Pro was a piece of cake compared to taking down that folder and thinking about those 138 pages and how you're going to fill them out. Starting with the wizard on Safe Food Pro and just clicking through, following that, within 10 minutes I was set up and started. It was great. Safe Food Pro wins the day over paper for sure.